Keep working.
What? Just check it out.
Alright, this is... Alright, just keep taking it apart.
Yes, yes, yes.
This thing's so clean inside. Alright, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is what's going on. Somehow, I put my shock upside down, so I gotta take my suspension out now again. And over here, I had this completely torn down. I rebuilt it already, but I found some mistakes. I gotta fix the fuel line. I gotta take the tank off. So I gotta take off all my plastics again. And I broke a bolt down here. I gotta replace it. So I got a lot more work. But I'll keep filming it so you guys know how it's done. I already rebuilt the power valves. Electric start, yeah. I already did a raise, I rebuilt all this. Should have made a video, but not too bad. Now we're painting control arms, making them black. Oh, I had to take it all apart because the exhaust was leaking. I knew that was gonna happen. I just got it together and got it running. It was the challenge, I guess. But we'll be back on when she gets more work done. So when you buy one of these 08 Ravs, the first thing I did to it is I put a brand new cover, new case and cover on the newer stuff, a newer one because they're updated and they're better. And I did, if you look down in here, see these black holes? They get pivots down there and they leak like a sponge, I guess. And that's just from how it is, I guess. But I replaced that with brand new hose. So we'll see what happens there. And then this starter wire is down here, but I didn't want to buy clamps, so I just bought aftermarket clamps. So I didn't want skidoo clamps. I didn't want to deal with it. It should work. And otherwise, yeah, let's going back together. But I'll be taking it apart. I'll make more videos of me taking the plastics off, so you guys know how to take all that stuff off on top. This sled has 3,800 miles on it. It's like brand new. And when you buy these revs, make sure you look underneath the suspension, because they crack right here. So, yeah, and then, like I said, check that bottom hose. And then I put, like I said, I updated this. It's got all brand new bearings. I put all new in. And there's my rave. When you buy an old rev, you check, make sure this stuff ain't broke, because mine was broke right here. So, just so you guys know, it doesn't hurt to check your stuff out. So, you don't know what you have till you look at it. So, alright, I'll keep filming. I'll be back.